R&D has been manufacturing innovative designs for the small poultry processor for over a decade. The methods used are tried and tested time and again with proven success. We understand that the smaller processor does not want to compromise on quality and still has to maintain an efficient, hygienic business. As you can see, this setup is a size of only 150 square feet in a busy residential area with an output of 500 birds per day. The R&D High Cab allows you to set up business in almost any area due to the high hygiene levels allowed and efficient disposal of waste. The equipment fits neatly into a small space and allows easy access. This process allows high levels of hygiene and also ensures consumer comfort. Your customer can be satisfied that the product is fresh, clean and hygienically cut. The R&D High Cab can also be installed in a busy marketplace with ease. The procedure begins by placing the live bird into the cutting cone and slaughtering it the halal way. Subsequently, the bird is placed in the scalding tank with water at a temperature of 58 degrees Celsius for approximately 3 minutes to ensure proper loosening of the feathers. Finally, the bird is put into the defeathering unit so every feather is properly removed. Additionally, a portioning machine can be utilized to sustain hygienic handling and evenly cut pieces. To us, you are the Alpha and the Omega. We don't just deliver, we also maintain. For this, we have R&D service engineers to set up, run, and provide an after-sales service to help move your business up on the profitability graph. Rest assured, we are here to stay, not just passing through. Then, why not turn the R&D way now?